Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Gantt chart in Smartsheet. All right. Start by opening up your account. And then once you're in here on your dashboard, go ahead and open up a sheet. Okay. Or if you don't have a sheet, you can go ahead and click on the plus sign right here and create a sheet. All right. Just click on it. Now I'm going to go ahead and select import, and I'm going to import one of my sheets available. Okay. Just for example, right here. Now, Gantt view right here is available for waterfall style project management, as it helps you break down large projects into more digestible tasks. Now, to enable Gantt view in your sheets right here, just go to the toolbar right here. Okay. Now click on the drop down where it says grid or the current view, and then just select Gantt. Okay. Click on it. And as you can see here, it needs 2 date columns. All right. So as you can see, I only have one, which is the birthday right here. Now to add one, just right click on a column. Now go ahead and click on insert column. Okay. Now go ahead and find date, add in a column name. Maybe for example, just date. Okay. Hit on OK. Now there you have it. We now have 2 date columns. Now let's say I'm going to go ahead and put some random dates right here. All right. By the end of the month. Like so. And then once done, again, go back to the view section and select Gantt. There you go. Now, I'm going to go ahead and maximize this one or make it bigger. Just use the line. Here we have the Gantt chart. This is for Ryan and for Rhea. Okay. Now, Gantt view right here draws a single day bar for rows where the start date and the end date are the same. Multi-day bar for rows where the start date and end date are different. Now, if you can spot a milestone diamond in here, well, that is for rows where only the start or end date is provided. All right. You can actually double click on each timescale right here. Double click. All right. You'll be able to see the name, the address, or any other fields. You can also add attachments, create proof, or add in comments. Now, if you want to change or modify your sheet's project settings to configure your Gantt view, you can go ahead and go to the top right, click on the gear icon. Now you can go ahead and add in dependency settings as well. Also the Gantt timescale settings, okay? You could go as far as years in here. All right, just hit on OK. You could also access the settings by right-clicking on any column, all right? And click on Edit Project Settings. There you go. And by the way, you could also choose to display a complete overlay, like when you go ahead over to project settings right here. Under dependency settings, you have the complete column. You can go ahead and set this one to add a field from your sheet. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and select maybe form date field, hit on OK. And anytime you enter a value in this column, you'll see a shaded bar. Okay. Maybe 12. There you go. As you can see, another one right here, maybe 50, as you can see. And that is it. That is how you create a Gantt chart here in Smartsheet. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.